So we have seen what is an IP address, okay, and we have discussed why we need the IP address. Okay, so we assign the IP address to all the devices to make the communication. Okay, so let us say we are having some computers. Okay, we are having some computers. These computers are connected to switch. So we need to assign the IP addresses to this computer. So now what we will do, we will see how to assign the IP address. We have discussed we should assign the IP address, but we don't know how to assign the IP address to a computer. Okay, so the IP addresses should be assigned to PC, switch, router, etc. In this section, we will see how to assign the IP address to a PC. Okay, in this section, we will see how to assign the IP address to a Windows machine. Okay, so what you will do to assign the IP address to a Windows machine, you will go to Control Panel. Under Control Panel, you will go to Network and Internet. Let me directly take you to the lab. Okay, let us do the lab. Let us open the Control Panel first. You will go to Search and you will type Control Panel. Under Control Panel, you will go to Network and Internet. Under Network and Internet, you will select View Network Status and Task. Then you will select this option, Change Adapter Settings. So you will get the adapters, whatever the adapters available on your computer, you will get those adapters here. Okay. So commonly, okay, if you are having desktop, you will get only one Ethernet adapter where you connect the cable. If you are having the laptop, by default, you will get Ethernet adapter and Wi-Fi adapter. This is the Bluetooth network adapter, and this adapter I am using for my VMware classes. Okay, this is the virtual adapter. So commonly you will get these two adapters. All right. So let us assign the IP address on this adapter because I am connected to internet using Wi-Fi. If I change the IP address, our communication will go down. So let us not touch this Wi-Fi adapter. The procedure is same on both the adapters, how to assign the IP address. So let us go to this Ethernet adapter, right click, properties. Then we'll go to Internet Protocol version 4 and you will select this second option, use the following IP address and you will assign the IP address. Let us say 192.168.1.1. So this way you will assign the IP address and you will see the different fields also like subnet mask, default gateway, preferred DNS, alternate DNS. We will discuss about these different fields later. Let us focus only on this IP address. So IP address will press tab and I press OK. The IP address is assigned. Let me show you one more time. Okay. First we'll go to the control panel. Then we'll go to network and internet. Then we'll go to view network status and task, change adapter settings. Then we'll select the adapter where you want to configure the, you can double click, you can right click, go to properties. Let us double click on this adapter. Then you will go to Internet Protocol version 4 and you will assign the IP address 192.168.10.10. Okay, whatever the IP address you want to assign, you can assign. We will see okay how to select the IP address and all in our advanced classes. So this is how you assign the IP address, and there is one shortcut method also. Using that shortcut method, you will directly come to this page here, adapter page, okay, or network connections page. So let me show you the shortcut also. You will go to search and you will type ncpa.cpl. This command will directly take you to this adapter page. Then you can assign the IP address. Okay, let me show you one more time. The shortcut method. You will go to search ncpa.cpl and it will directly take you to this network connections page or network adapter page, you can say, and you will configure the IP address. So these are the two ways to assign the IP addresses.